With a vision to strengthen the women wing of APHLC and the party in general, APHLC formed its women wing under Lumbajong Constituency at Deepu on 5th November. To strengthen the APHLC party workers had been working tirelessly through day and night. Likewise, women wing of the party formed its branch at the Masa Club, Deepu under Lumbajong Constituency on 5th November with a resolution to stand with the party and always stick to their party's principles. Deuri Teron, President of APHLC Deepu LEC, Rajen Timung, President APHLC Lumbajong MSC Constituency, Anthony Timung, Secretary of APHLC Lumbajong MSC Constituency, President of Women Wing Central Committee, and several dignitaries of the party attended the meeting. More than 150 women attended the meeting to grace the occasion.
So pinso kachisong long arlo so tumstami arjab dun tibjia pansi aki hai sarje ay katharsar ng Japon misen lapen alangli ahokpet ng Japon na posi constitutional rights and remedies lahay ilitum kachipalong ji pulutang te ilitum ning isi ingthin isi ilitum karbiang long east west di mahasaw ilitum itum ahokpet pen ilitum arjab tip nansi.
Due to Narong Peace report from Poloni, Caribbean Long Line.